More than a decade after Ellen Greenberg was found dead in her apartment, her family says the justice system has finally made a step in the right direction.
It's monumental. For 14 years, we've been dealing with the suicide rate.
In 2011, the 27-year-old first-grade teacher was found dead by her fiancé with more than 20 stab wounds. Her death ruled a suicide by a Philadelphia medical examiner at the time. But her parents, Sandy and Josh Greenberg, never believed she took her own life, taking the medical examiner and the city to court.
I've lost count of all the amount of monies and efforts and emotions that we've been working at to try to clear our daughter's name.
After 14 years of the Greenbergs fighting and on the brink of the Greenbergs' civil case heading to trial, a reversal. Medical examiner Marlon Osborne, seen here in a deposition for the case, now changing his professional opinion of Ellen's death in a letter filed on Friday and obtained by NBC Philadelphia. Citing new information, including whether Ellen's fiancé was witnessed entering the apartment before placing the 911 call. And the findings from a state-hired pathologist seen here in a deposition for the case.
And what's significant here is that there's no hemorrhage.
And in your experience, no hemorrhage can equate to the person having been deceased at the time of the administration of the trauma.
Yeah, I mean, in general, no hemorrhage means no pulse.
If a person has no pulse, they are not going to self-inflict or stab themselves, period.
Now, attorneys for the Greenbergs say the Philadelphia Medical Examiner's Office will reopen and reinvestigate Ellen Greenberg's manner of death.
So hopefully that'll be a new investigation. All the information that we've acquired over the years will be presented, and I don't see any reason why they wouldn't reach the same result that Dr. Osborne gave.
The city of Philadelphia telling NBC News the terms of the settlement include an independent review of the autopsy file and an express waiver of any claims that might be brought as a result of that process. The criminal investigation into Greenberg's death remains inactive but open, according to the Chester County District Attorney. In a statement released last November, they note there is no statute of limitations for criminal homicide in Pennsylvania, and because investigations can take new directions, we are not closing the case. A grieving family now one step closer to closure.
I hope today we made Ellen proud of us, because we certainly were very proud of her as her parents.
Steven Romo, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.